So ladies and gentlemen, there are a lot of people who we would like to acknowledge and give our vote of thanks. But this is not the end of the show. The show is going to continue. But before that, we have to show our appreciation and give them our token of love. For that, may I please invite on stage Shaji Thomas, Shilpa Shelij, and Pavitra ji. Please give them a big round of applause. This is the executive team here who has conducted this Diwali for you. You guys are having fun because of these guys here.
Thank you. So do you want me to start? Hello, everyone. It is the right time that, you guys are enjoying this beautiful environment here. But this came from some people's vision for the long term. We really want to recognize those people who laid the foundation for this. One day, they just started with 14 members, 15 members, and now we have come to a stage there where we have got thousands of followers on our Facebook and everywhere. Thank you, everyone, for coming. I would like to invite Uma ji for the contribution of her husband, late Shri Kamal Singh. Uma ji, please, on the stage. Right. I think Uma ji, until she's on the way, and we can, in the meantime, recognize another person, Mr. Venugopal, who was the founder of the Indian Social and Cultural Club. Thank you, sir. Thank you for laying this foundation, and we're enjoying the fruits today. I would imagine that Venugopal ji is not here, and I would have to keep it. We will just have to announce that we are recognizing his efforts. Another event. If you can enjoy this event, it comes from hundreds of volunteers, sponsors, funders, and the people who are working behind the scene. I would really like to thank our event manager, Hitesh Sharma. Please give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Hitesh Sharma on the stage. Hitesh Sharma from Rival Events. This event, just because of him. Thank you, Hitesh. Guys, just give us 2 minutes so that we can just recognize a few more people. Over to Shilpa ji. Shilpa ji, thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you on behalf of Indian Social and Cultural Club to all our wonderful, motivated, and hardworking performers, our very own talented choreographers, and all the comparers. Thank you so much. Thank you to all our sound technicians, our light technicians, our pyrotechnicians, and our AV technicians. A very big thank you to all. And last but not the least, thank you to all the parents who have taken their time off from their busy schedule to take their children for all the practices day and night. Big round of applause for all the parents and our performers. And last, again, one more last thank you to our own Mr. Shaji Thomas, who has been the man behind the show from all these years. A big round of applause for him and his team. Thank you so much.
Uma ji is here. I would like to call her on the stage to receive the recognition plaque from President Shireen Gulati. Uma ji, please. Yeah. Give a big round of applause, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Off to the main stage performances again. And thank you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you.